Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by securing your data and confirming access to your Google account. Backup Drive and any local files because a power wash erases local storage. This preserves important documents. Once done, plug in the charger and connect to Wi-Fi to avoid interruptions. Now open Settings, search for Reset, and select Power Wash to start. You're taking these steps to ensure the reset completes cleanly, and you can restore your profile afterward without losing purchases or synced data. You'll now execute the reset. When the Chromebook restarts, choose Power Wash and confirm. The system will reboot and begin wiping local data. During setup, follow on-screen prompts. Pick your Wi-Fi network, accept Chrome OS terms, and sign in with your Google account so sync restores settings. Make sure to pause if an enterprise enrollment or supervised device notice appears. That blocks Power Wash. If enrollment is present, contact your organization. Proceeding without clearance won't let you finish setup. You finish by restoring data and confirming everything syncs properly. Drive will repopulate bookmarks, extensions, and apps once you sign in. If sign in or sync fails, check your password, two-step verification devices, and network restrictions. Adjust Wi-Fi or remove proxy/VPN settings, then retry. If the Chromebook won't boot or Power Wash repeatedly fails, create a Chrome OS recovery USB from another computer and follow recovery instructions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.